There's something undeniably powerful about a vehicle that looks like it can go anywhere, survive anything, and still deliver luxury at the highest level. What you're looking at is the 2026-2027 Toyota IRONPEAK 6x6, a machine that feels less like a typical SUV and more like a rolling fortress built for the extremes of the American landscape. From the deserts of Arizona to the rocky trails of Utah and the endless highways of Nevada, this is the kind of vehicle that doesn't just adapt to terrain, it dominates it. At first glance, the presence is overwhelming. The matte desert sand finish immediately gives it that tactical, military-inspired identity. But it isn't just about looks. Every panel, every angle, and every bolt feels intentional. The armored body design isn't just aggressive, it's functional. You've got reinforced bumpers, integrated recovery systems, and a stance that sits high above the ground, ready to tackle obstacles that would stop most vehicles instantly. The six-wheel configuration is where things really get serious. That 6x6 drivetrain isn't just for show, it distributes power across all axles, giving you insane traction whether you're crawling over rocks or pushing through deep sand. Up front, the bold grille carries the unmistakable Toyota identity, but it's been reimagined for something far more extreme. The LED headlights cut through the environment with a sharp, futuristic glow, while the heavy-duty bumper houses a winch system that's ready for real-world recovery situations. This isn't a concept built for a showroom. It's engineered with the kind of capability you'd expect in remote, unforgiving environments across the United States. As you move along the side, the extended wheelbase becomes impossible to ignore. 3 axles, massive all-terrain tires, and reinforced suspension components create a profile that feels both aggressive and stable. The tires themselves are designed to grip everything from loose gravel to steep rock faces, while the suspension system allows for serious articulation. You can actually imagine this thing climbing over uneven terrain while keeping the cabin level and composed. And speaking of the cabin, this is where the IRONPEAK completely changes the game. Step inside and you're no longer in a rugged off-roader, you're in a luxury command center. Premium leather, brushed metal, and carbon fiber elements are blended with a matte desert sand theme that ties everything back to the exterior. The digital dashboard feels futuristic, almost like something out of a high-end aircraft, with advanced displays that keep you connected to navigation, terrain data, and performance in real time. The seating is designed for long-distance comfort, which makes sense when you consider the kind of journeys this vehicle is built for. Whether you're crossing state lines or exploring off-grid locations, the interior is meant to keep you comfortable for hours. There's even a modular rear setup that can transform into a lounge or sleeping area, turning this truck into a true overlanding machine. Large windows bring the outside in, giving you panoramic views of whatever landscape you're conquering. Under the hood, the IRONPEAK leans into the future with a powerful hybrid system designed to deliver both performance and efficiency. It's not just about raw power, it's about control, torque distribution, and reliability in extreme conditions. The drivetrain is engineered to handle steep inclines, heavy loads, and unpredictable terrain without breaking a sweat. You get that instant torque from electric assistance combined with the durability you'd expect from a high-performance off-road platform. What really sets this vehicle apart is how it blends two completely different worlds. On one side, you have raw, unapologetic off-road capability. On the other, you have refined luxury and advanced technology. And somehow, it balances both without compromise. It's just as comfortable pulling up to a high-end event in Los Angeles as it is navigating remote trails deep in the American wilderness. This isn't a vehicle for everyone, and it's not trying to be. The IRONPEAK 6x6 is built for those who want the absolute limit of what an off-road luxury vehicle can be. It's bold, it's extreme, and it's designed to go far beyond the pavement. In a world where most vehicles are built to fit in, this one stands out, and it does so with authority.